Ah! Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Greg and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to build something a little bit different, something I'm going to build for fun, something to entertain my puppies at home. This is quite an easy build, so I'm not going to do too much talking during the video. So the first half of this video is going to be the construction part, and the second half is where I'm going to do the experiment with my puppies. And if you don't want to see the construction part, you can just skip to about halfway of this video. This was honestly a super fun project to do. I enjoyed every single moment from the start to the finish, and I had a ton of fun doing the editing of this video. And if I can encourage you to try and do the same experiment to see how your puppies react. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button. It's honestly going to cost you nothing and it's going to help the channel grow and help me to make future content.
For the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world, from the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C., ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Round 1, fight! Round 2. Fight.
A few moments later. 2 hours later. 2 days later. 1 eternity later.
Final round. Fight. Finish him.
You win.
Fighting out of the blue corner, really needing no introduction the world over, and truly representing some of the finest boxing skills our sport has ever seen. Wearing black trunks with gold trim, fighting out of Las Vegas, Nevada, he weighed in at a ready 146 pounds. A veteran of 24 world title bouts, he is undefeated in his 18-year campaign with a record of 47 wins, no losses, 26 wins coming by way of knockout. Ladies and gentlemen, here is the pound-for-pound great and the pay-per-view king, boxing's future Hall of Famer, the sensational 11-time world champion in 5 weight divisions. Please welcome the reigning, the defending, and the undefeated WBC and WBA welterweight and super welterweight champion of the world, introducing Floyd Mayweather.
Round 1. Fight.
And his name is John C.